Hey everyone, I'm going to be at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo coming up on June 20th to the 22nd. I'm going to be there the whole weekend camping with a bunch of other Ember owners. I'm going to be there speaking, doing a class on RVing and getting into RVing, going over some tech issues, and I'm actually going to be a sponsor there of one of the tents, so my name will be splashed around there a little bit. It should be pretty easy to find me, so come find me there. I'll be there all weekend camping. You can come for the day or you can come for the whole weekend. Bring your gear, bring your RV, bring your tent. You can get your tickets online to the event. I'll put a link in below. Of course, there's no fee to see me, so just show up there, come find me. And if you are going, make sure you put in the comments below that you're going. I want to see you there.
Journey to the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo. On the Rockies' edge where the wild beauty awaits, a family-friendly gathering with thrilling activities. Mark your calendars for June 20th to the 22nd at the Alberta Outdoor Adventure Expo. Your tribe awaits. There's a link in the description.